How to cancel OOP membership. So today we are here with troubleshooting steps in order to cancel your OOP membership via PC. So let's get started. Now firstly, go to any web browser and search for the cancel OOP membership option on the search address bar. Now you can see canceling your membership option available on the top from the OOP website. Simply tap on it and go to the OOP website of canceling membership. Now there you will get to see submit a request option available in the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. Now all you have to do is enter all your details why you are cancelling the OOP membership here and tap on the submit and select cancel membership and follow the steps to confirm the cancellation. All you have to do is wait for a few days and the OOP support will reach to you by saying that your cancelling membership has been granted. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.